Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a dabbing bunny. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the dabbing bunny. This is its long ear. And here's another one. Here's its nose and little tongue. This is its hand. And this is another hand. Here's a tiny carrot. I'm drawing its legs. Now I'm coloring the carrot with orange colored pen. Now I'm using my green colored pen. For the bunny, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm using my pencil a bit. It will create a nice gray color. Wow, it's looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.